Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I wanted to talk about how to remove the yellow sweat stains on white shirts. I love white shirts. I used to wear them all the time, but I quit wearing them for probably 5 to 6 years because I just got tired of throwing them away after like 5 or 6 uses because they would just become dark yellow and it was embarrassing. I would keep my arms down to prevent people from seeing them. I would try my best to, use some bleach, but nothing seemed to work. So I did some research on how to keep them white looking brand new. I've actually had this shirt for about 4 or 5 months. I've probably worn it 30 times. And as you can see, I have no yellowing. So I'm gonna have 4 tips I'm gonna go over that I'm sure will help keep the yellowing to a minimum or not at all on your shirts as well. All right, first tip is the deodorant you use. I use only deodorant. As you can see, it says right there. I do not use an antiperspirant for 2 reasons. I don't think people should be blocking their sweat glands. Sweating is natural. And number 2, antiperspirants contain aluminum hydrochloride, which is known to accelerate the yellowing on white shirts. So if you don't mind sweating a little bit, which again is more natural, and you still won't stink because you have a deodorant, try switching to only a deodorant, not an antiperspirant, is step number 1. All right, tip number 2 is to only wear your white shirt 1 time before washing it, as I'm going to show you in the next step. Wearing it 2, 3 times in a row, most people don't wear a dirty shirt multiple times, but you really don't want to wear white shirts multiple times because that can really let that yellowing stain soak in and prevent it from making it even harder to remove. So try to only wear your white shirt 1 time before proceeding to step 3. All right, step 3, grab yourself some spray and wash. I know there's a lot of different brands out there. I recommend spray and wash. This is the best stuff that I've found for my white shirts, but all I do is take my white shirt, fold it inside out, and saturate the armpit areas with the spray and wash. Just douse it. Get it soaked in so it's soaking all the way through, and let it sit for a minimum of 5 minutes before putting it in your washing machine to wash it. Now you can use any type of laundry soap that you wish, but I do recommend adding some OxiClean to your laundry soap. I've been using this for a long time. There's a variety of different kinds. I'll put links below to where I buy the spray and wash and this type of OxiClean, but I've had great luck with any OxiClean. Just add a little bit to it, and I have found that helps even more. And that's all there pretty much is to keeping my white shirts yellow pit stain free. I'd recommend giving these tips a shot. I'll put links below to where you can purchase everything on Amazon. I think it's $6, $7 for spray and wash and the OxiClean, maybe $5, $6 for some just only deodorant. But definitely give it a shot. If you're frustrated with white shirts turning yellow on you, I've had great luck with these remedies and these tips that I was sharing with you. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, especially if you give this a try, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.